In this tutorial, we'll have a look at the similarity of triangles and what this means. So firstly, I'm going to try and draw two triangles that are relatively similar. I'm most certainly not an artist, so just bear with me. All right, so let's assume that those two triangles are similar. We'll call this one A, B, and C, and then we'll call this one D, E, and F. So in effect, what we are saying when we have similar triangles is that the corresponding angles of the triangle are exactly the same. So let's walk through that. Okay, so triangle ABC is similar. This is the notation that you would use to depict that the two triangles are in fact similar with the three vertical lines. So triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar. So this says that the angle A is equal, so that's over here, the angle A is equal to angle D, which is this one here. So we would say angle A is equal to angle D. Then we would also say that angle B and angle E are equal to each other. And then, of course, angle C and angle F are equal. Okay, so that's basically what defines two triangles that are similar. Now, as a result of this, we can then deduce certain ratios between the sides, because up until now we've of course only described, we've only spoken about the angles of the triangles, or the corresponding angles of the triangles. So what about the sides? So because of the fact that these two triangles are similar, we can then deduce certain ratios from this. So what we can say is that the side AB divided by the side BC, so that is the ratio of AB over BC, would be equal to the same ratio of the corresponding sides of the similar triangle. So the corresponding side to AB of triangle DEF would then be DE, and then the corresponding side of BC in the triangle DEF would then be EF. So this ratio states that AB over BC would then be equal to DE over EF. Then next we can do the same for BC and AC. So let's say BC over AC would then be equal to EF over DF. Let's say EF over DF. And then finally we can then also deduce that AC over AB, say AC over AB, would then be equal to DF over DE. DF over D over DE. Alright, so just to recap, two triangles are similar when the angles or the corresponding angles of those two triangles are the same. So of course the corresponding triangles in this case would then be A and D, B and E, and C and F. And as a result of this, we can then deduce certain ratios between the sides. Now this is this is the fundamental part of trigonometry, where we use certain angles and certain sides to get the values of the unknown angles or unknown sides. So that's why this is important. I think it's relatively simple, but it is something that you just need to study, and maybe with a bit of repetition and maybe drawing these things and doing it practically yourself, you'll get the hang of it.